The finish line, and I just wanted to make a few videos on some historically missed concepts, and so that you don't make the same mistake if you happen to get some of these types of concepts on your test. Okay, so you may be asked to write an equation of a line, and I have 1, 2, 3 examples. So what I would love for you to do is try to write the equation yourself first. Remember, you want to write it like this. M is going to be your slope. Let's go ahead and turn that off. And B is going to be your y-intercept. Okay, which in this case is right here. So pause the video and then let's see if we match. So come back and see me. Okay, so in previous videos when we were working through slope, I always instructed you to start at the lowest point right here. Pretend that's where you wake up, and maybe this is where you go to school or work. So this is where you wake up, and this is maybe where you go to school or work or wherever you go during the day. So you're going to start here at the wake up point. So you're going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you went up 5, and then you're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Now slope is always rise over run. So we have 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. So our slope is 1. And then we're going to put an x next to it. And then the y-intercept is right here at -2. So this is your equation of the line. Hopefully you got the same thing. You also can just write it as y equals x minus 2, because of course there's an understood 1 there, which is your slope. And a 1 slope looks like this. If you were to just wake up right here, let's go back here, and you would go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, right? Up 1 over 1. That's a stair step, so that's a 1 slope. All right, here's another one. So pause the video and see if you can write this equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so if you're back, hopefully you started right here. This is where you want to start at the lowest point. And then you're going to try to get here. So go here. Slope is almost like, for me, directions, like your GPS. So if you start here, you're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up 9, and then bounce over 1, 2, 3. So slope is rise over run. So we have 9 over 3, which is 3. So that's going to go in for our slope. And then our y-intercept is right here at +3. So let's put it all together. Y equals 3x plus 3. And hopefully that's the equation that you got. So I know it may feel weird that with 9 divided by 3, we're going to make that a 3 slope. Why don't we see that? So I can kind of show you that. I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb, so you guys get to enjoy all my stupid text messages. Okay, so if you started here, you go 1, 2, 3 over 1. See, it hits there. 1, 2, 3 over 1. It hits there. 1, 2, 3 over 1. So it's really 3 over 1, but 9 over 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. Okay, we have one more. So please, please, please pause the video and then come back and let's see if we match. Okay, so if you're back, hopefully you started right here and you went up 1, 2, so that's +2. Then you turn left, 1, 2, 3. So when you turn left, that's a negative. So your slope is rise over run. So we have a +2 over a -3. So that just means it's a -2/3 slope. You can also see how it's laying in a different direction. If you look at these other two, they lay in a positive direction, right? And our slopes were positive. Positive slopes, positive slopes. But this guy's laying in a negative direction, and that's because when you made your left-hand turn to run, it was negative. So y equals -2/3 x, and then we're crossing at the -4. That's your y-intercept. Okay, so if you get a problem like this on your practice test or your actual test, hopefully you will be better equipped to go attack it and get it right. See you in the next video.